Chandni, what are you looking at?
I'm simply enjoying this picturesque view.
Picturesque view?
Yes, picturesque view means a view which is very beautiful and attractive to eyes. You can also say that I'm enjoying this beautiful landscape. Now just imagine that you're traveling to mountains and while driving you come across some beautiful views of nature. So here you can say that I'm enjoying the beautiful landscape or I'm enjoying the picturesque views.
और ये हरे भरे मैदानों को क्या कहेंगे?
हरे भरे मैदानों को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं lush green fields. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share.